Hey guys, welcome back to the news Motorbike. Today, we're talking about two of the craziest hyper-naked motorcycles ever built in Italy. Two machines that blur the line between superbike and street fighter. Yep, we're talking about the Aprilia Tuono V4 Factory and the Ducati Streetfighter V4 S. So why are these two bikes always compared to each other? Well, on paper they share a lot of similarities. Both are Italian. Both are naked bikes built from full-on superbike platforms. The Tuono comes from the RS V4, while the Streetfighter comes from the Panigale V4. Both use powerful V4 engines, both feature MotoGP-inspired electronics, and both are designed for riders who think regular leader bikes just aren't exciting enough anymore. But even though they look similar in concept, these motorcycles deliver completely different riding experiences. Let's start with the Aprilia Tuono V4 Factory. The Tuono V4 Factory is often described as one of the best handling hypernakeds ever made. It uses a 1,099 cubic centimeters V4 engine producing around 180 horsepower. Now sure, that's less power than the Ducati, but the magic of the Tuono isn't about raw numbers. It's about balance. The power delivery feels smooth, predictable, and incredibly refined. Many riders say the Tuono feels like a superbike that has been slightly civilized for the street. The riding position is sporty without being unbearable, and the Öhlins electronic suspension does an amazing job adapting to different road conditions. Then there's the chassis. Aprilia has always been famous for making bikes that feel razor-sharp in corners, and the Tuono carries that same DNA. At high speeds, the bike feels stable, precise, and incredibly confidence-inspiring. And of course, there's the sound. The Aprilia V4 engine has one of the most exotic exhaust notes in the motorcycle world. It doesn't just sound loud, it sounds alive. But the Tuono isn't perfect. Like most high-performance Italian machines, it runs hot in traffic. Maintenance costs can get expensive, and Aprilia dealerships still aren't as common as Japanese or Ducati dealers in many countries. Now let's move to the Ducati Streetfighter V4 S. If the Tuono feels like a disciplined professional athlete, the Streetfighter feels like a wild animal that barely wants to be controlled. This bike uses Ducati's 1,103 cubic centimeters Desmosedici Stradale V4 engine, producing more than 210 horsepower. And trust me, you can absolutely feel every single one of them. The acceleration is brutal. Crack the throttle open, and the front wheel instantly wants to leave the ground. Many reviewers describe the Streetfighter as basically a Panigale with handlebars. And honestly, that description isn't far from the truth. The design also looks aggressive from every angle. The MotoGP-style winglets, the angry-looking headlights, and the deep Ducati exhaust note give the bike an intimidating presence even when it's parked. The V4S version comes loaded with premium technology including Öhlins electronic suspension, launch control, wheelie control, slide control, and one of the most advanced electronics packages in the naked bike world. Ducati clearly wanted to bring as much race bike technology as possible to the street. But again, there are downsides. The power can feel overwhelming for inexperienced riders. The engine heat in city traffic can be intense, and the riding position is still fairly aggressive for long-distance comfort. And of course, owning a Ducati at this level definitely isn't cheap. So, which one is better? Well, the Aprilia Tuono V4 Factory shines when it comes to handling, balance, and overall ride refinement. It feels smooth, controlled, and surprisingly comfortable for such a high-performance machine. Meanwhile, the Ducati Streetfighter V4 S dominates with raw power, drama, and pure adrenaline. It's the kind of motorcycle that constantly feels like it's trying to unleash chaos every time you twist the throttle. In simple terms, the Tuono feels like a precision weapon built for perfect cornering. The Streetfighter feels like a missile with handlebars attached to it. And honestly, that's what makes this comparison so interesting. Do you prefer the smoother, more balanced personality of the Tuono V4 Factory? Or do you want the insane power and aggressive character of the Ducati Streetfighter V4 S? Because in the world of hyper-naked motorcycles, The best bike isn't always the fastest one. Sometimes it's the one that matches your personality the best.